First, prepare the syrup by mixing water and sugar and bringing it to a boil. Let it boil for 3 minutes, then set it aside to cool. Beat the eggs and sugar with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Add the vegetable oil, coconut powder, breadcrumbs, chopped walnuts, vanilla, and baking powder. Mix gently in a circular motion to combine without deflating the mixture. Grease a square baking pan and pour the batter into it. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes. Check if the cake is done by inserting a toothpick. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and pour the cold syrup over it while it's still hot. Let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour. For the cream, mix milk, sugar, and cornstarch in a pot and cook over heat until thickened, stirring constantly. Let it boil for 3 minutes, then remove from heat. Immediately add vanilla and pastry cream powder, and beat with an electric mixer for 5 minutes. Spread the cream over the cake layer and sprinkle with coconut powder. Refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours before serving. Enjoy your dessert.